Just recently, I've been out visiting different networking groups, mainly to see how other people do it and, if necessary, how I can bring ABC Networks up to scratch. One of the main things that I've noticed, and quite frankly has shocked me, is the number of people that make promises that they just don't keep. Why would they say one thing and do something completely different? It appears to me that this phenomenon is endemic among small business owners. Now, I say to myself, there's no such thing as coincidence. So where else is this showing up in their lives? It can't just be a one-off. When we don't follow through on things that we promise to do, it not only shows disrespect for the other person, but also destroys the trust between people. Who wants to do business with someone that they don't trust? And more to the point, in the context of networking, would you refer someone that you don't trust? What is it that makes them overpromise and underdeliver on a regular basis? Is it the fact that they want us to have a positive and favourable opinion of them? This seems to be a pointless exercise, as after all we will find out at later time that they just don't deliver on their promises. Remember, Ash's first rule of business and life is say what you do what you say. And if you can't follow through with the action, don't make the promise. Your mission for the next week is to see where you are following through on your promises, however small they may be. As Yoda once said, either do or do not. There is no try. Do it now.